Kain tayo ng persimmon. Guys, break time. Okay. This is our snack. Mukha siyang kamatis, no? Guys. Natin show. Oh! Mukha siyang kamatis. Pero ito yung persimmon na hindi pa ganun kahinog. I've been looking for this fruit kasi dati hindi ko to pinapansin, but nung natikman ko siya, I found out na sobrang sarap niya. So this is it. Okay, ayan siya guys, persimmon. Tikman natin. As far as I know, parang seasonal tong fruits na to. Tuwing parang magpapasko dun lang siya nagiging yung texture niya parang peras. Pero yung lasa niya is tamis niya. Yung lasa niya close to wala maisip. Hindi melon. Hindi rin apple. Hindi rin papaya. Basta, yung lasa niya parang wala siyang kalasa. It's just a plain, sweet, crunchy. Parang ganun. Wala siyang buto. Hindi rin naman mangga. I think one is enough kasi kakain pa tayo nung viral chocolate ng Dubai. Yes, you heard it right, guys. Finally. The pistachio Kanafe chocolate. Mmm. Napakatamis niya, guys. It's too sweet that I cannot. Just the plain sweet. Walang konting asim, walang, no. Just sweet. I'm good at one piece. Because I'm gonna try the Kanafe chocolate. Oh. Let's open it. I'm so excited. Disclaimer, guys, this is not the fix Kanafe chocolate because hindi natin muna afford yun. But nakakita tayo ng same and yet affordable. Woohoo! Yan siya, guys. So, let's break it. Oh my, no. Another one. Ba't ganun? Palpak yata yung break natin. Wait, meron kasi siyang ano eh. Why? Meron kasi siyang... Let's... Oh! Okay. Whoa! Yan siya, guys. Okay. Try natin. There's the Kanafe with pistachio. Honest review. It's very close to masarap siya. It's not that sweet. And nandun yung crunch nung kanafe. Pero hindi masyadong nalalasahan yung pistachio niya. Na-overpower pa rin siya ng chocolate. Actually. Good one though, but kung dun ka lang sa curiosity, it's still the same chocolate, you know. Hindi naman siya ganun ka parang para gumastos ka ng napakalaki for that chocolate. I don't think it's worth it. Masarap siya. Masarap siya. But honestly, sa price niya, thank you guys for watching.